Hi everybody, it's Andrew here from Hobbies Australia and welcome to this edition of Show Us Your Kits. It's been quite a few weeks actually since we've had the opportunity to get one of these videos out to everyone so you can see what's been happening here at Hobbies Australia. So the last few weeks have been very busy with lots of new shipments arriving, lots of new brands. And what I thought we'd do today, rather than have a 40-minute video and bore everybody senseless, is that we'll break this video up into probably 3 or 4 segments, and each segment will focus on a brand that has just arrived, and in one instance, about to arrive here at Hobbies Australia. So the first brand I'd like to showcase today is AFV Club from Taiwan. Now this delivery arrived late last week into our warehouse. There was a great restock of firm favourites, things like the Australian Centurion and also the Australian M113A1 with the T50 turret, the new personnel carrier from earlier this year, a great restock of that. Plus lots of firm favourites, things like Churchills, lots of various Israeli armour, Centurions, that sort of stuff. Really nicely done. And we had 5 new lines which we'd like to showcase to you today. So the first kit I'd like to bring to your attention today is the new 144 P40B/C Warhawk. This particular model is a representation of the American volunteer group from early in the Second World War, where various American pilots volunteered to fight on behalf of the Chinese and were known as the Flying Tigers. Really nice little model here, 144. It's not a big scale, but this particular kit is very well refined. Detail is quite nice. Lots and lots of diorama opportunity here. We've seen 144 aircraft from AFV Club before. We've seen helicopters, we've seen F4U Corsairs. They do a really nice job. And I'm sure this one, the P40, will be a very firm favourite in a short period of time. The next couple of kits that we'll have a look at from AFV Club are under the Hobby Fan banner. Now Hobby Fan is the parent company of AFV Club. And what we have here is a couple of figure sets, nice crisp resin figures. The first one is HF762, and this is a Israeli armoured vehicle commander in 135th. So lots of scope here to put him into an M60, into a Centurion, into an M113. Lots and lots of scope there. Resin figure, single by itself, selling for $21.99. Crisply moulded, nicely rendered, ticks a lot of boxes, and really is quite well done in my personal opinion. The next kit, HF762, is 2 British or Commonwealth crew figures for a Centurion. So it could be a Centurion from the 50s, the 60s. Looking at the style of uniform and the equipment, you could even put these next to your Australian Centurion. I think possibly the officer's pistol holster is a little bit wrong, but that could be refined. But really nicely done, as I said, crisp, clean. Hobby Fan, AFV Club really do nice work with their resin, and I think this is going to be very well received. 2 resin figures in 135th, retailing for $43.99, which is about what the market price is on those style of figures, so quite happy with those. The next kit from AFV Club is their AH1W Super Cobra with Republic of China markings. This is an old, the moulds on this kit are from Academy, and AFV Club have taken the moulds and tweaked it and peaked it, done a couple of little things to it. We can see their resin upgrade parts, very nicely done. The standard offering there from AFV Club, sprues, nice decal set, and very nice photo etch. Some nice box art top, and then of course the instructions in the standard configuration that we've come to expect from the team at AFV Club. This kit will be retailing for around about the $90 to $92, and these kits that we're looking at today should be arriving in the next couple of days into retail stores and also online retailers. So lots of opportunity to get your hands on these kits now. Okay, attractively done, everything that we would expect and hope for from the team at AFV Club. So that's their rendition of an A1 or an AH1W Super Cobra, AFV Club kit 35S21. Now, for me, the hero of the AFV delivery that we've just taken is this Jeep combination set. Two different Jeeps, Israeli Defence Force markings and options. This particular kit selling for $85, $86 out there in the marketplace. This particular kit will be exceptionally well received by the local market. Lots of excitement about this, online forums, etc, etc. But again, as we would expect from the team at AFV Club, you know, lots and lots of plastic here in the box. It's crisp, it's clean, it's concise. The instructions are very clear. There's nothing untoward in this kit that would throw a modeler out. As we can see here, we've got markings, we've got photo etch, the instruction booklet, actually two, because as I said, there are two separate vehicles in this kit. Now again, AFV Club heading out to stores now. It should be available by the time you see this video. It should be in stores and online. So keep your eye open for AFV Club kit 35S99. So just as a bit of a tease, I've received my sample of the new C-130J-30. This one will be supplied with markings for the Royal Australian Air Force, number 37 Squadron, centenary of Air Force. So what the current aircraft are marked up with now. We'll have a look at this in a future video, but this is a very exciting and very eagerly anticipated model kit, which we'll be getting here at Hobbies Australia over the next 6 to 8 weeks. All right, well, thanks very much for your time. Don't forget to check out our next video regarding the next part of this delivery or deliveries that have arrived. As always, hit that subscribe and like button. Let us know what you think about our videos, our content, etc., what we can do to make it better for you and more interactive, more enjoyable. So yeah, as always, Andrew from Hobbies Australia, stay safe, take care, build more kits. Bye.